Hey, you with the bulge in your shorts, yes you. What do you think about tonight's game? Are you guys going to take us to the championship?
Understand a hood gangster like myself, baby. I like to score. I am a nationwide baller, worldwide mob figure, you feel me? And we not going home with the dick look.
I hear you on that. We need to win sometime. Damn, you'll be playing like drunks and crackheads.
What you say, bitch? I don't hit women, but I will smack sparks out a whore before you open your mouth. Make sure you say good shit, real talk ho.
I can show you how. Meet me in the locker room and don't be fucking around, homeboy.
Oh, you want this gangster dick hunt? I got you, and go knock the dust off that little monkey fascio, baby. You dealing with a drill nigga.
Let's get it then, boo. Hurry the fuck up and win, because I'm about. Do you feel me, brother?
Oh, you got jokes, and go poke you more times than Facebook.
I'm waiting, Mr. Gangster ass shit talker. Where your balls at? Let's do this. OMG, you are not ready for this, white fat ass.
I just want some Becky if you really want to know, so what's good?